Best microSD cards. Are you looking for the best 4 microSD cards? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 4 microSD cards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Samsung Pro Plus microSDXC memory card, 128GB, offers high-speed performance and reliability, making it ideal for use in a variety of devices, including Android smartphones, tablets, action cameras like GoPro, and drones like DJI models. Designed for demanding tasks, this card delivers read speeds of up to 180 MB per second and write speeds close to 130 MB per second, making it suitable for recording and transferring full HD and 4K UHD videos without lag. This microSD card is rated UHSI U3 V30, ensuring smooth video recording and playback, and A2 for faster uploading and responsiveness on compatible devices. The card's durable build is engineered to withstand harsh conditions, including resistance to water, extreme temperatures, X-rays, and magnets, offering long-lasting performance in challenging environments. The included adapter enhances its versatility, allowing easy use with devices that have standard SD card slots, such as cameras and laptops. Samsung offers a 10-year limited warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in the card's durability and performance. Ideal for creators, professionals, and gamers, the Samsung Pro Plus microSDXC is optimized for use in high-performance applications. It provides ample storage for photos, videos, and large apps, offering reliability and speed for users who need efficient storage solutions. Whether you're capturing adventure footage on a drone or expanding storage on a smartphone, this card is a strong choice for both everyday and professional needs. Number 2. The Kingston 128GB CanvasGo Plus microSDXC card is a high-performance memory solution designed for action-packed use cases, such as 4K video recording, photography, and app storage. With read speeds of up to 170 MB per second and write speeds that meet UHSI, U3, and V30 standards, this card ensures seamless data transfer and smooth recording of full HD and 4K UHD videos, making it an excellent choice for action cameras, drones, and Android devices. The card is rated A2/A1, which enhances app performance on compatible devices, allowing faster app launches and improved multitasking. This makes it ideal for users who require additional storage for apps or need to expand the functionality of their smartphones or tablets. The rugged design of the CanvasGo Plus ensures durability, with resistance to water, shock, vibration, and X-rays, making it suitable for outdoor and demanding environments. The inclusion of an SD adapter adds versatility, enabling the card to be used with devices requiring standard SD card slots, such as laptops and cameras. Its reliable construction and compatibility with various devices make it a dependable option for professionals and casual users alike. Whether you're capturing high-quality videos, shooting burst mode photos, or expanding your device's storage, the Kingston CanvasGo Plus microSDXC card offers speed, reliability, and durability. With a focus on performance and versatility, this card is tailored for adventurers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts who demand efficient and robust storage. Number 3. The SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB microSDXC UHSI U3A2 V30 memory card is designed for high-performance storage, making it ideal for capturing 4K UHD videos, high-resolution photos, and running demanding apps. With read speeds of up to 170 MB per second and write speeds reaching 90 MB per second, it ensures fast data transfer, efficient storage, and smooth video recording, even for professional-grade content. The UHSI U3 and V30 ratings guarantee reliable 4K video recording without interruptions or dropped frames, while the A2 rating allows faster uploading and performance on compatible devices. This card is built for durability, offering waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, and X-ray-proof protection, making it highly reliable in challenging environments, from extreme temperatures to outdoor adventures. The included adapter provides additional versatility, allowing use in devices with standard SD card slots, such as digital cameras, laptops, and drones. Designed for Android smartphones, tablets, GoPro cameras, and DJI drones, the SanDisk Extreme Pro microSDXC card ensures seamless performance and ample storage for demanding applications. Whether you're recording high-quality 4K video, capturing fast action photos, or expanding storage for your device, this card offers speed, durability, and reliability. SanDisk backs this card with a lifetime limited warranty, reflecting its confidence in the card's long-term durability and performance. The SanDisk Extreme Pro 64GB microSDXC is a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts who need fast, dependable storage for their high-performance devices. Number 4. The SanDisk 64GB Extreme microSDXC UHSI memory card, SDXC064GGN6MA, is a high-performance storage solution ideal for capturing 4K and 5K UHD video, high-resolution photos, and running apps on Android devices. With read speeds up to 170 MB per second and write speeds optimized for UHSI, U3, and V30 standards, it ensures quick data transfer, smooth video recording, and reliable performance for demanding applications. This card is rated A2, making it perfect for use in smartphones and tablets, offering faster app loading and better performance for multitasking. The C10 rating further guarantees its suitability for full HD and 4K video recording without interruptions. The included adapter provides added flexibility, enabling the card to be used with devices that have standard SD card slots, such as cameras, laptops, and drones. Built to withstand tough conditions, the SanDisk Extreme microSDXC card is waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, and X-ray-proof, ensuring durability even in extreme environments. This makes it a great choice for outdoor adventures, travel, or professional work where reliability is key. Perfect for Android smartphones, GoPro cameras, DJI drones, and other devices requiring fast, high-capacity storage, this card offers both performance and versatility. Whether you're recording 4K video, capturing rapid action photos, or expanding storage for apps and files, the SanDisk Extreme 64GB microSDXC delivers exceptional speed and durability. With SanDisk's lifetime limited warranty, users can trust this card for long-lasting performance. Ideal for photographers, videographers, and tech enthusiasts, this card is an excellent choice for users needing high-speed storage in a compact, durable form factor. Number 5. The Amazon Basics 256GB microSDXC memory card is a high-performance storage solution designed for users who need fast and reliable memory expansion for devices like smartphones, tablets, cameras, drones, and more. With a read speed of up to 100 MB per second and a U3 rating, this card supports smooth 4K video recording and fast data transfer, ensuring that large files, high-resolution images, and videos can be stored and accessed without delays. The A2 rating enhances the card's ability to quickly load and run apps, making it an excellent choice for improving performance on Android smartphones and tablets. This memory card is built for versatility and convenience, featuring a full-size SD adapter that allows it to be used in devices with SD card slots, such as digital cameras, laptops, and other electronics. The U3 and V30 ratings further guarantee its ability to handle demanding tasks, like continuous 4K video recording and burst mode photography, without interruptions or slowdowns. Designed for durability, the Amazon Basics microSDXC card is waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, and X-ray-proof, offering reliable protection in various harsh conditions, whether you're recording videos outdoors, traveling, or capturing memories during extreme weather. This makes it a solid choice for users who need dependable storage for their adventures. With 256 GB of storage, this card provides ample space for storing high-definition videos, thousands of photos, and a wide range of apps, making it ideal for users who need to expand the memory of their devices without compromising speed or reliability. The Amazon Basics microSDXC memory card offers great value for those seeking a high-capacity, fast, and durable storage solution for a variety of electronic devices.